So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy costume for the Wii Fit Trainer, including her little energy balls. So I started by getting a light blue shirt. I couldn't find a tank top the right color, so I just got a t-shirt. And then I tried it on and I pinned it in place where it needed to be a midriff shirt, like the way she had it in the video game. And so then I just cut it off where I had the pin. And then once I had it all cut off, I folded under the edges to the inside about 1/4 of an inch, folded it over double so that the frayed edge would be on the inside, and then just sewed that in place all the way around the bottom of the shirt. And so then I cut off the sleeves, turning it into a tank top. And I did the same thing, just folding under the edges with a double fold and sewing them all the way around the sleeve. So there once those are sewn. And then I also sewed in about 2 inches on each side of the shirt just to make it smaller and tighter so that it would fit me the way it did in the video game. And so here you can see the extra 2 inches on the inside. I could have cut that off, but I chose to just leave it. I'll just fold it under later. So then you want to slip a piece of paper up under the chest and then get yourself some white fabric paint and just paint the words Wii Fit on the front of it. You might have to go over it a couple times with the paint. Then I got a pair of black workout pants and I cut them off just below the knee and hemmed them in place. And mine had a blue strip across the top, but if yours doesn't, you can just sew one on. So then for the energy globes, I got a plastic popcorn container. It was left over from some popcorn. And I took some big bubble wrap and an LED finger light. And I stuffed the bubble wrap in the popcorn container and stuck the LED light right in the center. So that makes it kind of glow cool inside there. So then to cover up the Christmas writing on the top of the popcorn, I took some silver duct tape and I coated the entire top with that. And then I put some around the outside as well, just to cover up the rest of the red. And I took a pair of scissors and just cut off the excess so I could still screw it on to the top of the globe. So there's my nice silver top. That just screws on top of the globe and it looks a little better than the red did. And then of course you can still see the finger light glowing inside there with the energy globes. Sun salutation!